Welcome back! Time to play with vehicles! Now we can fix it! Choose what we're going to repair! This is where welding comes in! Let's clean up the edges using a tool! Super duper! Perfect! Put a patch on it! You're so smart! That's it! Let's weld the edges. Move the tool around the edge of the patch. Super duper! Perfect! The only thing left to do is paint. Keep going! You solved the problem! The pipe is broken. No gasoline is coming in. Let's open the cover plate. Turn the valve to open it. That's great! Pick up all the junk with pliers. Super duper! Perfect! Help reassemble the pipe. Rotate the pieces so the gasoline can flow through the pipe. Great job! We have to look in the engine. Vacuum the dust and dirt. Awesome! Take apart the broken parts from the engine. You're so smart. That's it! Let's install the new parts in the engine. Keep going. Magnificent! Pour engine fluid by color into tanks. Keep going. That's it! All done! Now help to assemble Wrecking Ball. I appreciate your help. Let's improve the car. We need to get to the construction site. Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Keep going. Let's go! Let's go! Keep going. Let's go!
you like playing with me?